Hello guys. Today I'm gonna be showing us how I produced this song from the beat to the whole thing. But first of all, listen to the song.
SK cooked this one.
I'm in my zone,
Ah,
cause I'm in my zone, cause I'm on my,
cause I'm on my
I'm in my zone, I'm in my zone, trying to chase up my dreams, cause I'm on my, cause I'm on my. A wise man told me
So let me take you to the chorus. That is where we have the whole element coming in. 40. Yeah.
this, homie, you know I'm gonna get this, cause I'm in my zone, I'm in my zone, cause I'm in my zone, cause I'm on my, cause I'm on my,
Cause
I'm in my zone, I'm in my zone, trying to chase up my dreams, and I'm on my, and I'm on my.
SK cooked this one.
Yeah, so let's go straight to it. Quick and easy. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do right away. So let's go straight into it. I started with the kick. Yeah, I can't forget. I started with the kick. I was like, sing this to this timing. Then I will know what to do after. You know. Then I brought in this percussion. This. Then I duplicate, like I made the percussion unique to have the second pattern. And let's go. This is what it is. Now, if you listen to this, there is a swing, and at the same time, it's giving like what I can call it is war. Yeah. So I was like, let's just keep growing the whole song. Then I added. Oh, I showed you one trick in our last video. You can go back to it, how I come across this kind of thing, this kind of loop that's going to give the whole song an heavier thing. You hear that? Now, why did I do this? Was that I didn't want the whole beat to swing. You understand? So I swinged it, exported it out, and have it looped like this. You understand? Then I return them back to how it's supposed to be. So I'm going to have the actual timing key, key. And I'm still going to have the swinged version. Did you get that? So that's the trick. Hmm. So that was going on its own, and I was like, all right, sing the song, let me understand. So I recorded him just to have what I would do.
I'm in my zone.
So that was the first problem we had. I did this.
I'm in my zone, cause I'm in my zone, cause I'm on my, cause I'm on my.
It was like, SK, this is not what I want. You are behind my song. I was like, bros, how can I be behind? Or you should sing to the beat. So then I brought in the progression. So what I was trying to tell me was that after the first chord, like, I'm in my zone, I'm in my zone, cause I'm on my, you get. So it was, let me be sure about that because I didn't even know I got to. I just knew I eventually did it. Yeah, I got it. I got it. I was like, after the chord,
I'm in my zone, cause I'm in my zone, cause I'm on my, cause I'm on my. I'm in my zone, I'm in my zone, trying to chase up my dreams, cause I'm on my.
so that's how we did that. So before we move on, let me show you the whole arrangement. This is the kick. What's this? Okay. This is the kick. It's just one pattern kick. T, 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 you know, on every 1, 2, 3, 4. So easier to, but percussion is kind of tricky. Percussion is kind of tricky. I'm still gonna explain that. I have this and this. You understand? So how do I come about this? I don't know. It was just I was just picking at random, looking for the best. Sometimes you don't have to follow the rules, you know. You just have to do what makes it sound good. Boom. When you get it, then you can start explaining like me. You see, I'm trying to get what I did, and imagine you studying what you do so you can show it to others. Now, let's study together. Okay, I think that's easy. I got it easily. And the progression was simpler. I have a very minimal element on this whole song. Then when it got to the chorus, I was trying to make something different. Then I brought in, okay, this was the part that I played at the beginning. It's an action part under pigments. You can check pigment. Then I brought in this for the chorus. I think this is from Electra X. I still use that old dude. I love Electra X. Then this particular one is from Flux. Is it Flex or Flux? Flex, yeah. Flex on it's very simple. Dun, 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 dun. It's just trying to keep the melody down instant. So there is one important thing I must not hide away from you, which is that I used my 808 in a different way. I like I didn't want to put too much things on the song. I didn't want anything to be like bass, bass, you know, I don't want to put something unnecessary as the row. So what did I do? I used the 808 as the row. Let me show you how I did that. Listen to, let me solo the 808. This is it. You see, God, chai. Like, all right, I'm coming. I'm still gonna break this down. Let me let you listen over. Hmm. Now listen. So that's all. This is it. There's this there's this special thing. I used a drill 808, one of these drill 808. Then I enveloped it. Like you see, I locked it down so that I can control the sustain and everything. I don't want it to be auto. I want to sit and control it myself. You understand? So that was why I did this whole thing here. That was why I did this whole thing here. And oh yes, I think that was all. Now, join the pattern. The progression is very simple. Let me add the piano, the chord, so you can get, yeah. Now I can just go like doom doo doo. No, I don't want to. I want something different that's gonna call the transition. That's gonna put your attention on that transition, which is very simple. Yeah. Do you know how to run this kind of slide? It gives you this kind of swelling slide. So you have a single note and you slide it halfways below and upward. So this is a you understand? It's going to dry. And sometimes let's do like so that means this one will come first and you take this one, nothing like this. This is but this is why I did on the song. This is what I want on the song. So don't forget, because the reason why they were not the 808 was not ringing into the next sound was because I kind of tighten it up here. Sure, you get. This is what you do. Delay. You bring the attack back. You give it the hold and zero decay, zero sustain, zero release, and that is all. You're gonna have something like this that you can always use anyhow. Do you hear that? You see, then the longer you hold it, the longer it sustain. So I love to use that kind of thing. So now you see, I think you already know what I did. That was like, let me show you everything in one piece so we can get it right. This is a slide, this is a slide, this is a slide. So we have it this way. This is doom, like a total drop and start over. Yeah. This now let's have it. So what did I do? How did I have that row? This later hand, I just cut it out like this and boom. Now let this like this. Something like this. So what did I do of this just to put the attention on the I want your attention on the oh sorry, mistake. I want your attention on the what do you call it? The 808. So I went ahead and off this and this. You see that? It's gonna be obvious. It's not easy using this as an example as the tutorial, but I'm still gonna go back to the main beat where you see the whole thing I did because this is a very simple beat with a little technical and consciousness in everything because everything on this beat was intentional. There's no apart from the part where I was trying to put the percussion and everything together. But after that, every single element is intentional. You get that? So what else did I I knew I was gonna need other elements, so I told him record properly. When you are done recording, then I can add other things. Then let me go back to this. When he did the recording, though this is not the final recording, I did the final recording in my Logic. So I added this when I had the final recording. Boom. I just needed something to keep it rolling, and I added these two. This is from Excel, a vocal sample from Excel, and this one is all this choir plugin from I think that should be one of this contact library. So listen to this part.
Homie, you know I'm gonna get this. Cause I'm in my zone. I'm in my
You
zone.
hear that? You see? So it's just like come in, go out, come in, let's go.
I'm in my zone. Cause I'm in my zone. Cause I'm on my. I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone. Trying to chase up my dreams and I'm on my.
So I think we need to have a part 2 where I'm going to take you through the process of mixing the voice and mastering the song. So that was when I started adding some response. For instance, look at this place.
Energy for life. I keep on grinding, I'ma shine my light. Don't ever tell me I ain't got no rights. That's why I'm in my zone, so anyone come close, go feel my light. So I'm living up my life. I pray to Jah to always tell me right. I swear to God, say I'ma shine my light.
Now break it
Cause
down.
I'm in my zone, so I know, so surely I go day alright. I'm in my zone.
Yeah. No, I'm not gonna forget this.
I'm in my zone.
not to waste most of your time, this is how I achieved the whole beat for this song before we move to the vocal mixing. So see you when I see you next time. See you next time on the part two where we'll be going to the full mixing, the approach to the mixing, and some other trick I did on the 808, the whole thing, and so thank you for watching.